Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Gmail account password on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to change your Gmail password on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address gmail.com like this and hit on enter. But guys, if you have not logged into the account, first you'll be required to log into your account. Because I have already signed into my account multiple times on my computer, I'm not required to log in time and again. So in your case, you might be required to log into your account. And after logging into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon at the top right. I'm saying where I'm hovering right now. Click over there on your profile icon like this, and click on the manage account settings like over here, and then you'll be taken to the Google account section of your Gmail. And in order to change your account's password from over here, simply click on the security button like this. And over here guys, scroll down, and under the category of how you sign into Google, simply click on the password available over here. And guys, first you will be required to verify it's yourself into your current password over here, and let's click on next. And over here guys, you can see this is the platform to change your password. So let's do that. Let's change our password. First enter your new password like this, and at that enter your confirmation password, which is the same password as above one, but we will be confirming it by retyping it, or you can just copy paste it. That being said guys, you have entered your new password and you confirmed your new password. Simply click on the change password button, and then your Gmail account's password will be changed from over here. And then guys, this is how you change your Gmail account's password on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.